Hello there YouTube. Today we're going to unbox the AirTag and the AirTag leather keyring. So let's start off with the AirTag. AirTag. There's some instructions and then some other information here. Put that up there for now. Take out the AirTag here. There it is. Now before we do more with that, let's set up the AirTag leather keyring. There we go. Nothing else. Flip it so it looks nice. So yeah. There goes one out. Okay, so let's set up AirTag. AirTag. Connect. Name AirTag. I believe, yeah, I'm gonna put them on my keys. Register Apple ID. I'll register that to the Apple ID. Here are my keys, and here are literally my keys. And precision finding, play sound, no file left behind. You can find my app. There are my keys. Now let's put them in this leather thing here. So peel out, slide in, and let's hook us up with a key. Snap, it's in. All right, let's try this precision finding. So you can play a sound. That works really well. Let's try find nearby. Okay, try again from here. So my keys are just over there. Yeah, so we're about 8 meters away from it. So unfortunately, it seems like the pointing thing is not working super well. I mean, I'm walking sort of towards it, but nope, it is getting the direction wrong. Oh, there we go. It's more or less pinpointing at the actual keys are just right there. There we go. Yeah, so it's actually not precisely pointing at it, but it's actually not too bad. There we go, it's now pointing more in the right direction. And just a few centimeters away, boom. Here are my keys. And I can just move back and so move about 2 meters back, and yeah, it's just right over there. I can play the sound from here. So I can just briefly play sound. While close to it, I feel more vibration. Boom. Keys are right there. All right, well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.